You stayed. Because when you lay flat, that's where it is. I mean, that's my entire hand. I mean, I gotta like put my thumb up and I'm barely touching the top of your head. And then like if you were to bend forward, like look down, so that one, no problem with looking down, looking up again. Yeah. Okay. Better. Definitely a little bit. Because last time I was about here and I had to almost have my thumb straight up. Mm-hmm. So no, definitely better. I gotcha. How do you feel?
Probably 2 inches taller.
Okay. So now, coming from North Carolina.
Yep.
And
the right shoulder, that's about all I can do with that.
Okay. So now you have what is called ankylosing spondylitis.
Yes.
How long have you known?
I was diagnosed with HLA-B27 when I was 23, I think.
Okay.
So 57.
Okay.
It's just been a progressive, gotten worse.
How are movements? So that's as farthest you're going. Yeah. What
and
about?
That's it right there. I can look down.
Okay.
You know, can't finish a cold beverage in a can.
With the straw.
Yeah, I can't with the straw.
Ear to your shoulder? Okay, that was, not much anything. What about lower?
Hips,
yep.
Low back. Hips, if I'm walking any distance, I mean, my hips are like, I can't hardly put one foot in front of the other.
Really?
Right knee, I've had problems for 3 or 4 years. Yeah, and I've had to even kick one foot up on my pedal on my truck because I just didn't have the strength in my knee to get them.
Oh my gosh.
But once I get it there, I'm fine, you know, it's just like this. But, and the left foot feels like I dropped a weight on it or something. I don't have any idea what that's from.
Okay.
So.
Man.
Yeah.
And then, so you've been to chiropractors.
There are a lot of them's afraid.
Okay.
Of AS.
Yep.
And they, in fact, one chiropractor I went to, he had been working on my neck, this, that, and the other way. He took an x-ray.
Okay.
And he said, I won't touch you again. And he didn't even charge me for the visit. So, I think it was new to him. He didn't understand what he was with. The other chiropractor that I see now, she's real easy on me.
Okay.
And I don't think I need easy.
Yeah.
To fix what I've got going on. And you know, a couple of my chiropractors have retired, and I had a really good one up in Canton, North Carolina, and he retired.
Gotcha. Man.
Yeah.
Yeah, I would say like the one thing that like me that I'm always going to make sure to pay attention to with a dish or an AS patient is going to be the cervical, any kind of rotation.
That makes driving kind of tough.
Oh, I can imagine.
And I've been in some near misses.
Oh, really? Okay.
One of them almost got hit by a semi truck because I couldn't see it.
You gotta get the vehicle that has a little blind spot indicator in the.
But I mean, if you look at me straight on, I don't even look like I have a neck. But and it is leaned so much forward.
Yeah.
That it appears I don't have a neck, but I do.
Yeah, you can just tell how tight all that is too.
I think it starts right back, right there.
Oh, yeah.
It starts leaning forward.
You can see it goes down here. It's like you're going almost straight down. Yeah, I'll get a...
And I saw that you had, in some of your other videos, you had worked with some ankylosing spondylitis patients.
Correct.
And I gotta go see this guy.
And then like if you were to bend forward, like look down, so that one, no problem with looking down, looking up again.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just whatever I can see with my eyes, because you know, if I'm standing outside, I can't look at the sky. You know, she said, look at the pretty moon. I'm like, well, I can't tell, but I take your word for it. If I had a recliner, I could see it.
Man, okay. Have you done any dietary changes, things like that?
Working on it.
Okay.
I know AS, there's a anti-inflammatory.
Yes, that is correct.
I have had a heart valve replaced back in 17.
Pig valve or mechanical?
Pig valve.
Okay.
And it's due to the inflammation.
Okay.
They have a hard time.
Yeah, apparently it's real fibrous in there. So
Oh,
AS.
okay.
Springs really caged here.
Well, because the kicker is where that is kind of turning to bone, that ligament's on the front part of the spine there.
Yeah.
So a typical...
Even when I was in, what do you call it, where you go have PT, they measured my chest and it doesn't expand, like for breathing, like a normal person either.
Yep.
So, yeah, if I could get all that broken loose, and that'll be good.
Gotcha. Well, heck yeah. Let me have you go face down on the table. And I'll bring this down even a little bit too. So we'll see what positions we can get you in. Yeah, with all that tightening up. But yeah, you can see from the, if you kind of look, the neck just runs straight. It's like this is where it's almost all your weight is put to, is right here.
Mm-hmm.
So right leg is pulling short as well. Okay. All right, let's get rolling. We're going to use the vibration. Kind of relax, loosen things up here.
Little the neck, kind problems with the shoulders also.
Okay. I'm going to start light with this because this is the one you don't want to do too much rotation in. There we go. Still get good movement in there though. One side did, not much with the other. Oh, these are going to be fun. Oh, that was a good one. Same there. Heck yeah. You're moving good. Heck yeah. Oh, don't worry, I'll push right through it. Heck yeah, no, you're moving though. Let me have you sit up on the table and then bring one leg on each side. How'd that feel?
A little rough. Not gonna lie. I'm sure that's what it's needed too.
Oh yeah. Yeah, especially through the thoracic spine. That's a very strong area to begin with.
Mm-hmm.
So with those, you can use some good force. Is really that cervical spine. You don't want to, you know.
Right.
Now with decompression, when you're in that y-axis, you can get really good.
Right.
Just that pulling and lifting off.
It won't separate anything, but
no.
It'll straighten out.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, you'll see that's going to be one of the best things for you.
Oh God.
Tiny little one there. Those ones are going to be hard, especially with that as another rotation. But very little one there. Not really going to get much more with the rotation than that. Yeah, relax right there. You got to get on to them about the anti-inflammatory diet.
So you from Greenville,
Detroit.
Detroit?
Yep.
I don't blame you for going to Florida.
I love the warmth.
Yeah. That's my wife Casey, by the way. I don't know if I made the introduction.
Yes. Yeah, no, if I never see snow again, I wouldn't care.
Only get enough in Asheville. It's not much, but it's enough.
Yeah, that's not too bad. Even this isn't bad at all. You might get a brushing of,
Yeah.
you know. Yeah, you know, when you're up north though, that just, You see how tight all this is?
Feel it.
Yeah, we gotta get that loosened up. There we go. About that one in that shoulder. Let's check this one. Oh, another one moved a little bit better.
That was the one that's been giving me a fit.
Has it?
Yeah, just doing, raising above my head.
Okay. Let's get you to go face down again for me. Okay. Alright, we are going to have you flip onto your back.
You said flip.
I have to get out of bed, stand up, and turn around.
Feels like he's got a tube forward against his back and it goes down. Well, that helps.
You stayed. So unfortunately, this is the kind of the hard part of what you got. Because when you lay flat, that's where it is. Yeah, I mean, that's my entire hand. I mean, I gotta like put my thumb up and I'm barely touching the top of your head. Oh, these are horrible to...
I wish I'd have found you sooner.
Right? But you know what? This is why I put those videos out there.
Yeah.
Because
Somebody
who is, just say, diagnosed early stage of it, they can actually...
not getting the shape I'm in.
Yep. Which, in a good sense, you're not as bad as others that I've seen,
Right.
but, well, you still feel it, that's for sure. There we go.
God.
And rest.
Felt that in my shoulders.
Good. Yeah, let's sit you. Rest right there. Good. So the first one, like you said, felt it in between the shoulder blades.
Yeah.
Good. Have you ever felt anything like that?
Absolutely not. Feel it in my low back too.
Good. Okay, bring that knee in front. Good, good. Come on down. Relax right there. Okay. And rest. What did you feel?
All in the neck.
All in the neck with that one.
Low neck.
Low neck, okay. Well, good. I'm glad they're a little bit different between the two. How do you feel?
Probably 2 inches taller. Probably.
Good. Good. Here, actually, let me see if you put that back. Lay back again. Just want to see where. Good, 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 good. That. Better. Definitely a little bit. Because last time I was about here and I had to almost have my thumb straight up. Mm-hmm. So no, definitely better. I gotcha.
It's when it comes back, it looks not as hunched.
Gotcha. But yeah, let me have you stand on up. Today's definitely going to be the day. Ice, a lot of water, rest, no heavy lifting, anything like that. How do you feel?
Feel pretty good. A little better.
How's pain-wise, things like that?
Eased off
Good?
pretty quick, yeah.
Good. So you noticed a difference with getting that done?
Oh yeah, I definitely felt it.
Good.
It probably hadn't popped in years. So.
Oh, I could imagine.
Yeah.
Well, not even like you said, a lot of chiropractors are afraid to do anything.
They are. Yeah.
Which even like at the first two when I did on you, I did those lighter just because you don't want to throw a lot of force into rotation.
Is
But
head forward, is that fixable?
in your
To a
case,
degree?
to a degree, but completely no.
Yeah.